Yeah, it was good. He is a producer and he's looking to do like a set on the Cove, like an L-shaped set. So his like stuff on one table and then the artist on another, and he wants to get artists in to do freestyles. So he was just looking at what could be achieved basically and what lighting we had and chairs and stuff, and the new stalls seem to work for him, so that's good. And then I just showed him some different like lighting options that if it was me, that's how I'd do it. But I said to him like, unfortunately you're working with artists. If you were working with people who were slightly more organised or predictable, I would put multiple artists into one day, because then you're only having to do the setup once and you've got multiple episodes done at the same time. Whereas if you do more separate, you need to add an extra hour onto each booking to allow for the setup for each artist. He was like, yeah, I don't even know if I can schedule myself that long on one day. I was like, okay. It's probably only a 2-hour booking, but it's probably a repeated 2-hour booking situation. He said it's most likely going to be Feb. Right, I just said to him, I know you're thinking Feb, but like, I've had multiple inquiries about February and everyone's feeling like they want to do it in Feb because obviously January blues and no one's got money, but you're less likely to get the time that you want if you wait. Especially for what he wants as well, like he needs to shoot at night time when it's a little bit darker, so